Wow! Monday morning after a week off from making these videos, from making these picks. Hey! I took some time off, a little spring break. What do you want? Meanwhile, the market is soft. And meanwhile, I've got a great pick for you today. It is two of my loves hybridized stock investing. Who are we kidding? Stock trading and sports betting, or as I call it, wagering. Did you know while we were gone for that week off, I have now, for the first time in my life, bet professional tennis. And I had two bets over the weekend or on Friday, I can't remember, but I remember that both of my bets came up and cashed and printed, making me 2-0, making me profitable, and by definition, making me, for now, a professional tennis gambler. As such, let me tell you that even if you go to $DKNG, DraftKings, one of the top sports books based here in the United States, DraftKings, DKNG is the ticker symbol. If you go there and if you pull up the 6-month chart, go ahead and do that. I'll wait. Pull up the 6-month chart for DraftKings, $DKNG, and press pause. Now press pause again. See? Nothing, while you were gone, nothing happened. But that is the story of me watching a woman smoke a cigarette with her vagina in South Carolina. I'll tell it again in the future. You didn't miss anything. Hey, that DraftKings 6-month chart, do you see how we're at a 6-month low? Well, some people would say, buy low, right? Buy low, sell high. Some people would say, low is good when you're a buyer. Buy on a dip. Buy the dip. Get the discount. Buy low. But I think, even though it seems a little obvious, even though it seems a little easy looked at one way, even though it seems like there might be too many bears, even though it seems like too much the trend is your friend, I think the weight is on shorting DraftKings, even though it's down from 20 to 14 in the last few weeks, last couple of months, and even though in the last few months it is down from 50 to 20 to 14, and even though 14-ish is the low on that 6-month chart you're looking at, I don't think it's the low for long. I'm gonna start doing these videos at 8:35 instead of 8:25 because there's a lot of trucking action at this intersection. Long story short, the trend is your friend. I don't believe that it's too obvious. I don't believe it will regress up. I don't believe it will reverse. We are in a soft market. For sports betting, we are also approaching a soft market, as in the next few weeks, by the time we get to Memorial Day and beyond, and by the time we get to the second half, a lot of it, of the second quarter, you're looking at your late May, you're looking at your June, not only will there still be no NFL football, but also there will come a time where the NBA playoffs will be over. The championship will be decided, the NBA season will be over, and in the US, you're looking at mainly daily baseball and hockey to carry the load. It's a bit of a gambling soft spot. It's a bit of an off season. And finally, as a sports bettor, and I hate to say it out loud, and I'm not trying to bully them, I'm not trying to bury them, and I'm not trying to shame them, but as a sports bettor, to be honest with you, I hope there's no retribution for this. I hope they don't see this and withhold payments for an extra day or two. I don't have anything against DraftKings. But if there's preference involved, I like FanDuel. I like their interface better. Dollar for dollar, they also have Same Game Parlay Plus. Dollar for dollar, all else being equal, and truthfully, I deposit more of my sports betting money into FanDuel than I do into DraftKings, even though they're the ones that I was a bit more familiar with through their stock market visibility clout, if that's such a thing. Anyway, video is coming to its end. 1403 was the closing price on Friday. It is in the high 13s right now. When I looked 10 minutes ago, it was at about 1387. Buy low, sell high. I want you to short these shares, so we reverse it. We sell high first, and then we buy the shares back lower on a dip. And I don't want to be greedy. Don't wait for it to get back to Friday's 1403. Don't wait for it to get back to $14. You don't even need $13.95. If you see DraftKings after the open or on the open at $13.94, short it. Wait for $13.59 when it drops about 35 cents. At $13.59, buy it back, and you have completed a trade that is worth 2.5% of whatever your stake is. That's the pick for today, a short pick. Sell short, DraftKings, ticker symbol DKNG. Sell it short at $13.94 or above if you can get it there.